Hello, stock traders. I hope all of you are having a fine morning. I'm going to talk about a subject today that is not only hard for me, but it's so hard for most investors. Most investors freak out in the market when we have volatility, and that is exactly what we are seeing right now in the stock market is volatility. And this is some of the best times to buy up some of those stocks that are such a great deal. You want to be buying when there's blood in the streets, and you want to be selling when there's greed, massive greed going on. Well, right now it's been pretty tough. It could get tougher, but it also could get a lot better. And so I try not to find the bottom. For me, I'm always in my strategy. Now, again, this is something that I do struggle with. So every once in a while, I get on a little kick where I'm like, I'm going to have cash on the sidelines, cash on the sidelines. Well, right now, that is not what I am doing personally. I am buying up stocks that are at great value levels that fit my strategies, fit my insider strategy, where insiders, CEOs, CFOs are loading up shares. And in today's video, I'm going to give you a couple of stocks that I like. It's hard to find something to buy right now, but I got a couple, and we'll just see what you think. Please hit that most amazing and wonderful like button, but also, if you haven't done so before, consider subscribing and turning on those bell notifications so that you get notified when a new video comes out. I do have a Patreon group. I have a link in the description down below if you want my call outs each and every day. That's the place to get them. Let's get into it. All right, well, let's start by taking a look at the charts. And the first chart I'm going to take a look at is the SPY ETF. And right now, so many people are panicking as you see the SPY coming down to these levels. I get it. Definitely, this has not been fun over the last couple of days. And so this is the 4-hour chart. So each and every one of these is a 4-hour. And these signals up here, these sell signals and buy signals, are DeMark indicators, which do a really good job of finding tops and bottoms and when the market might switch and go to a different move. And so anyway, this is the S&P 500. Right now, resistance, in my opinion, is at 430. Support is at 420. Let's take a look at the VIX. So many investors don't look at the VIX. This is the fear indicator. Now, the higher this goes, the worse it is for the stock market. And you can see we just got this sell indicator and we got this blue candle, which what that typically means is that the momentum is shifting to more of a safety type or a little bit better feeling, less fear in the market. So in the past, when we have seen this, and we've seen this move happen in the past, the VIX gets crushed down here to the bottom. And if you know how to play it, you can make money with the VIX, especially with this. Right now, I was buying yesterday, when this happened, I was buying up shares of SVIX because I believe that the VIX is going to fall down to new levels and that the stock market is going to rise from these levels. Now, of course, I may be wrong. No one knows exactly what's going to happen in the market. I'm not saying that I have some magic ball. All I'm saying is that I like that we have this sell signal here. I like that other things that are kind of going on in the market that I'm seeing, that we bounced off of 420 support in the S&P 500, those type of things. All right, let's get into a couple of stocks that I like due to insider activity. And the first one is Day One Biopharmaceuticals, ticker symbol DAWN. This had a large dark pool transaction of insiders, a 10% owner that purchased a lot of shares. This stock is also a phenomenal value as it's been falling for a long time now. The momentum is not on our side on this particular stock, but I do like that they loaded millions and millions of dollars, and I like it for a move to the upside, especially with the market. If we can get a little bit of push out of the market, specifically the Russell 2000, I can see this doing very, very well. Another stock that I like is John Wiley & Sons, ticker symbol WLY. This has had some big insider activity, some big insider transactions. It is a great value, and we could see a move to the upside here I like it for a continued move. We've had some insider activity. We could get more insider activity as it really hasn't popped yet. This stock has not done well since the insider activity. It's one to watch for sure. Okay, some other stocks I kind of want to talk about here are some of these. The first is MGM, and I'm going to go to the weekly chart on MGM here. And we have some major buy signals here. So I like this definitely for a move upwards. I've been loading up on these buy signals as we've gotten them. Each one of these candles is 1 week's time. So MGM is a really good buy right now. It's been suffering with this pullback, and it's a good value, so I like it for that reason. So this is just purely a value play of something that's within the triple Qs, and is been a good, has typically bounced from these levels. And I have one more for you, and that is Warner Brothers Discovery, ticker symbol WBD. And again, buy signals. Look at all these beautiful buy signals. And so I like this for a nice move to the upside. There's also some very prominent investors that are buying up shares on this. Michael Burry is one of those. And so it's interesting to see it hit these levels. This is a great deal, much better deal than he's in on it. And I like this for a move upwards. And so I am loading up at these levels. I wish you all the best in the stock market. Investing is hard. If you don't want to go it alone, we have a group. I'd love to see you there. Wishing you all the best of luck, and Raythoven out.